How to add more clock face styles on the KE3 smartwatch using the FitPro app itself. So I'm talking about this smartwatch here in particular and using this app here called the FitCloud Pro. It looks like this one here. And of course, you'll need to have this installed on your device in order to get access to these clock faces. Once you're fully set up with the smartwatch and the app itself, and you're into the app itself now, you will go to the part that says device right here. When you tap on the device section, you will see the name of your smartwatch. Then you want to go down to the part that says dial library right here. As you're here, give it a few seconds to load up the different clock faces that you can set on your KE3 watch. And as you press down on the button here, you will see the current set clock face here, which is this one here. Now, if I do go ahead and let's just say I wanted to choose this one right here, this pink one with the green circle around it. So of course you will need to select it. Go ahead, it's going to run it for you. Just give it a few seconds to set up. And it's going to say this here, preparing. It's going to say pushing. And what's going to happen is going to sync it for you. Just wait a few seconds here. And as you're waiting, you're going to see that it's going to do this here for you. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and show you what's going to happen after that. So just give it a few seconds. Now, once it's fully set, you will see that it's going to appear on your screen here for the smartwatch itself. And now, basically, while in the clock face view mode here, if you want to, let's say, change it back to another one, you'll long press it and select another one. Let's say you select this one here, then you want to go back and select that recently installed one. So just go ahead and long press it again. This will happen and you'll just browse to the one that you had before and set it there for you. And that's basically it. And it's this smartwatch here in particular, or any of the smartwatches that are similar, that will use the FitCloud Pro app itself, like it's